Hi, it's Mike.
In this video I'm going to show you Excel's autofill and autosum. Excel recognises patterns, so if you start typing it will suggest what it thinks you're going to fill in. So you can just save some time typing them all out and Excel will do the rest. And for the autosum, select the column that you want to add up, including a blank space at the bottom, and you go up to the top here and click autosum and it will do the calculation for you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.